Okay, the changes you made is going to help you with your style sheet that you're going to be adding more styles next milestone. So which is great on that. Because there's some things we're going to add some spacing, like padding, so the text is not so close to the edge. And like here, the links, you'll add spacing in between to kind of make that stand out and change the coloring for that. The one thing the shadow that you have down here, I'd probably reduce the size of the shadow. It's just a little bit too much. I think this is just enough right up here for that. One of the things I would say on your menu page, you want this text, the questions, to be bold, to stand out a little bit more. And so what I would suggest doing is going back in and simply just adding what we call as a class to the paragraph tag. What you're doing is you're specifically identifying that area. So I'm just going to use the default format A, and then what I want to do is I'm going to copy that and I'm going to put it for this paragraph here, because what I want to do is I want to apply the style to both these paragraphs, and the class allows me to do that. And when I work with this, to apply a style to a class, you start off with a dot followed by the name, and the important is the dot, because then the browser will look for that class with that. Definitely would probably want to make it font weight bold, okay, to bold it. Maybe you might try the orange color that you have there, just so it stands out from the rest. Oops, color, just like that. Again, you can experiment with that. What will happen here is I refresh. So you see it just kind of makes it stand out. You probably want to go in and increase the font size just a little bit there. So definition term, yeah, so DT anxiety terms. So you have it down here, so maybe we just go in, just make it a little bit larger, 15 pixels, and see if what that does. Oh, that needs to go larger than that. 20. Yeah, so then that means you might have to increase that size a little bit. But I'm just trying to make sure it stands out to make it